Hello friend, welcome to the Academia University. If you are a true IT career aspirant and serious about securing a rewarding IT job, the sure success mantra is excel first to excel fast. In order to empower you to excel faster, I am going to provide you a free Excel Mastery Starter Pack 50. Simply, Starter Pack 50. What is 50? This starter pack consists of 50 core elements, and I classified them into 10 groups depending on their nature and the functionalities, and named them as Group A, Group B, Group C, etc. and all that. Now we are taking up Group A. In that, six first core concepts are there. If you study these six concepts and all that, then you can understand their importance. They lay a strong foundation for your Excel mastery building, no doubt about that. Apart from that, you know that first impression is an everlasting impression. So, by completing these six concepts as well as programs, you can get a great first impression, and it has lifelong impact, no doubt about that. The Group A in the starter pack contains six elements. Actually, these are six first concepts which lay a strong foundation for your Excel mastery building. Now, I explain them precisely. By that, you can realize their importance in your Excel study. The first one is first step in Excel journey. Actually, we write our Excel program in an Excel worksheet. An Excel worksheet consists of hundreds of elements. So, first you have to explore it. For that purpose, you have to understand its architecture and learn the elements group-wise strategically in a phased manner. That is a very important core and first task. The second one is first step in programming. Not only Excel, any program in any programming language you write, first you have to create a file. In order to create a file, you must know the file management system professionally. Actually, without knowing that also you write, but it is not professional. It is a layman's approach. That's why just a matter of half an hour, you must understand the file management system, and you have to understand how to create files, name them, etc. and all that. This is generic one, not only for Excel. Third one, write your first Excel program. Actually, always first experience is everlasting experience. That you know that. You write your first solid program, solid Excel program, not a simple program. Using 10 commands, you write the solid Excel program. Then you think like a professional and work like a professional. What is the professionalism? You can understand practically through this. The fourth one is first Excel table. Actually, Excel tables play a very vital role. First time you can see the automation. Actually, Excel supports automation. In order to see that Excel table is the right tool and all that, then in the fourth concept, how to create Excel tables, how to derive advantage out of that by implementing automation. The fifth one is first complex formulas. Actually, don't feel like a beginner. Now, day one onwards, you can implement complex formulas, and you can practically understand how complex logic can be implemented in Excel very easily. The sixth and final one is first Excel constants. Actually, constant. Once you define a constant, you can use it anywhere. You need not define again and again. So that is a very good tool that you have to understand practically. These are the six first core concepts. You must have command over this. Just a matter of 2.5 hours. You complete it within a couple of days. Don't take much time. You take them as a fitness test. Actually, anybody can aspire IT career, but here you have to test your fitness for a IT job. This is the right step. The A group is the right step. If you are able to complete this A group in a couple of days, then you can realize the facts about IT career and how to prepare and all that. If you are able to complete this within a couple of days, you can take it as granted that you are 100% deserved candidate for an IT career. Rest of the things I will take care of. And one more suggestion I have to give to you. I am providing you ebook. This ebook, free ebook I am providing to you. This ebook consists of study notes, programs, video lectures, and whatever you want. You can freely download group wise and all that. always have a hard copy in your hand. If you have a hard copy in your hand and all that, it is much above having a soft copy. By that, you can derive 100% benefit out of that. And once again, I am telling you, you take it as a fitness test for a IT career. If you are able to complete this within a couple of days, you can take it as granted you are 100% deserved for aspiring an IT career.